I used to think trading was all about mastering charts, indicators, entries, exits, all of that. But here is the truth. None of that matters if you aren't willing to be disciplined enough to execute. So, I'm starting again from scratch. Not because I didn't have it figured out, but because I want to rebuild, and I want to do this right here and right with you. When I started trading, I used to think trading was just about knowing more than just the next guy. But over time, I realized trading exposes who you really are. Your habits, your mindset, your emotions, all of that. You can't hide from the markets. It's not about you versus the charts. It's about you versus you. So I decided, instead of just talking about trading, I'm going to show you what it actually means to become a disciplined trader from the ground up, step by step. This channel is not about flexing. I mean, I might do a day in a life or a day in a life with some of my successful trader friends. It's going to be more about the process, boring and sexy stuff, the stuff you don't want to be watching, the powerful stuff that actually builds a consistent trader. So every week, I'm documenting my trades, my thought process, my mistakes, and the lessons I would have learned from the market that same week. You will get to see everything. So I'm pretty much treating this like my public journal. Not to prove anything, but to build something and to build this thing with you. From real market breakdowns, personal lessons from my trading week, talks about discipline, mindset, and focus. You know, the stuff no one really ever shows you. My goal isn't to sound like a guru. My goal is to show you what it actually takes to become consistent. Not in theory, but in practice. Because let's be honest, trading is not just about making money. It's about becoming the kind of person that can actually handle it. I know what it feels like to be stuck. I've been there. I know the hiccups. And in the past year or so, I've interacted with very many traders, beginners, intermediates, and even advanced. And from what I've been able to take away from these interactions, I feel like I can do something a bit more productive right here on my channel.